Hi, this is my intro video for my Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory coin pusher footage. I'm going to have 5 videos. We went to Peoria, Illinois today to round 1. This is the first time we've ever been to a round 1, and we were very happy to see that they did have a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory coin pusher. So we played it a lot because we knew we wouldn't be back for a while. So we played it a lot, so much so that I am breaking my footage out into 5 videos. So I'll have 5 different parts. This is the intro for the first video, and then by the 5th video you'll see whether we were able to complete a set, if we were able to get the elusive golden ticket. All I'll say is I absolutely loved the coin pusher. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory is my new favorite coin pusher. I wish we had one closer to us. 3 hours is a bit of a drive. So it's not like Star Trek that I'll play like all the time because we have a Star Trek at Dave & Buster's, which is like 15 minutes from the house. But anyway, Willy Wonka like totally beats Star Trek in my opinion. It was so much fun. The sound effects are awesome. The cards were awesome. It was a lot of fun to play. So anyway, please watch my Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factories and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. We are beyond excited to have found a Willy Wonka machine. So this one looks pretty good. Let's see. What one do you want to play? I don't know. There's a lot of cards to get. I haven't watched that many, so I don't know which one is the rare one. Each golden ticket is 1,000 tickets. There we go. This one? Alright, Robert chose this one. So, we're going to do the 5 swipes.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Where's it saying that?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Alright.
What are we doing?
You're going to play, so...
What do I need to know? Anything?
Honestly, I've only seen people play it a couple times, so I don't know any secrets or anything. So it looks like once you get that Willy Wonka bar full, then it's going to spin. And that's when you would win the golden ticket. So we're now spinning. And we're going to get 5 extra tokens. Cards are moving pretty good though.
Chocolate, really?
It is awarding us tickets, I just don't know what's... Alright, here we go, another spin. We got 10 tickets. Alright.
Now it's time to say goodbye.
That's it?
Oh, is that it?
That's it.
Alright, so we got 36 tickets. Okay, but it's only 4 a swipe. So
I'd like a bar of chocolate,
that's
please.
not bad.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
No, you go ahead. I don't mind recording. Here comes the card. We're gonna throw the card. 2 cards actually about.
There we go. That was good. Look at that.
That was a good push.
She pushed a lot of stuff down.
Alright, that's good. Getting her to move. Alright, here's another spin. Oh, so close. Really wanted that golden ticket. Oh, that's a good push. So cards and a spin. It's got 15 tickets on that one.
Always goes wrong when we come to the desserts. Always.
It's
I
actually
hope you enjoyed yourselves. Excuse me for not showing you out. Straight up the stairs, you'll find the way in.
alright.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
Let me
I'd like
finish
a bar of
this
chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
round. Oh, you finish this.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I really would like a bar of chocolate. Give you some extra tokens. Here comes another card.
Oh, what's cosita?
Put you
Save
over
some
there.
room for later.
Maybe the salt's the rare one, because that's the only one that happens. And then the artwork. You almost have 3 cards. Oh, there we go. 2 cards.
Should I go for purple girl?
Yeah, I would go for Purple Girl. And then we'll get Meg too. She's on the edge. She's gonna fall over. Oh, so close.
Scratch the crap out of her.
20 tickets. At least it doesn't build up like other machines.
Oh, no, I won't hold you responsible.
I don't want to just go after that
I'd
one
like a bar
girl.
of chocolate, please.
You play however you
I'd
want.
like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please. I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I'd like to buy a chocolate, please. Jeez. never stops.
I mean, you're building up a nice pile in the middle.
Yeah.
So it automatically throws them out, or that was you? That was you.
Yeah, it doesn't give me anything.
Here comes another card.
Boy, that's great stuff.
Oh, Augustus Blue.
You got him already.
I know, but I still like him. Hate the microphone.
It is actually tossing cards pretty good, I think. Come on, give us a golden ticket. Please, please. No,
Does it really throw out a card that's a golden ticket?
yeah, see this machine right here to the right? That's the golden ticket. I've seen people win it. It does happen. I don't know if there's a trick to it. I don't know.
I'm fed up with cabbage water.
Oh! Wait, we already have Charlie Bucket?
I think we do.
Alright, it's not bad.
Here's how to win the jackpot. Step 1. Land on one of the blue targets for a free jackpot frame. Then with the free spin, land on a blue target again to win the jackpot.
Adieu. Adieu. Pocket.
Alright, let me see what cards we got.